Welcome. In front of me I have Realme 8 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can log out from one of your Gmail account. You have to open your Gmail. Next you have to tab right here. Here we are already logged in with 2 accounts, so click to take me to the Gmail. And right now click on the right upper corner and click to manage accounts on this device. Right now you have to choose the Google. And as you can see, we got the 2 accounts, so I'm going to remove the last one. So you have to simply tap, then click on the 2 dots in the right upper corner and click to remove account. Then confirm, and right now you have to wait a little bit. After a few moments we will be logged out from one of the account. So as you can see, right now when you go back to the Gmail, we are logging with only 1 account. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.